Good morning everyone. Today I am going to give a demo of my chat application project. So let me discuss core component of my project. So first of all, we have one client which send HTTP request to authentication server and creating a Websocket connection with backend. Authentication server is providing GWT back to the client on successful authentication, and it also store user credential related data into the MongoDB. Backend server is responsible to send a message from client 1 to all the desired client using WebSocket connection from backend to client, and it also uses Kafka if client want to send a message to the client want to send a message to another client which is not connected to the same server. After that, let me discuss one scenario of sending message from client 2 to client 3. If client 2 want to send a message to client 3, as you can see both the clients are connected to the same backend server. We are just sending message using WebSocket connection, and backend 2 will check if if a receiver is connected to the same server or not. If it is connected to the same server, then it is sending directly from here as well. Here also not going into the Kafka and other thing. So this is one scenario. This is a simple scenario where both the clients are connected to the same data, same backend server. Let me take another scenario. In this, client want to send a message client 3. As you can see, both the clients are connected to the different backend servers. First of all, client 1 send to message, it goes to the backend 1, and backend 1 will check if client 3 is connected to it or not. As you can see, client 3 is not connected to the client 1, so the backend 1 will publish a message to the Kafka for this particular client 3. After that, client backend 2 will consume that message from the Kafka and send it to the client 3. After that, let me show my project configuration. I have two backend servers, as you can see, and two frontend server and one authentication server. So, and I have worked this project locally, and we have one Redis Kafka to communicate between the backend server, and MongoDB Atlas to store the message and authenticate. Let me give you application demo. So I am logging with Raju here from this frontend. I am going to chat with Mohammed Hussain, and here I am logging with Mohammed Hussain, going to chat with Raju, of course, and you can see both users are connected, and no conversation found between these two users. Let me just send the first message hi, and you can see the received message hi. After that, I am asking how are you. You can see it is here. I'm saying I am fine. Thank you for asking. So you can see the messages are going from one client to another client, and these messages are published to the Kafka. Let me give you log for this. So thank you for asking. I can show the public message to chat_Mohammed Hussain. Then thank you for asking, and you can see the same message received from another backend. This is backend 1, backend 2, as I have shown in the diagram, that backend 1 and backend 2 are communicating with each other by Kafka. If both the users are on same client, means same backend server, then there is no need to publish a message to Kafka. We are communicating from client 1 to client 2 to client 3 directly without Kafka. So that is it. Thank you for watching.